Hi, I'm Anu, and I am a mindset coach and a confidence building mentor. And I am so happy you're here today because I want to talk to you about feeling beautiful inside and out, what that entails, and what benefits you get from it. And so, before I begin telling you how to do this, I want to tell you I have a free 5-part video series for you. All you need to do is click in the description below and you will find the link. And you can get this for all the tips to help you feeling lovable, confident, and beautiful in your skin. Now, many of us may not feel beautiful on the outside, and I want to emphasize that it begins with the inside. And so what does that mean? It means knowing yourself, knowing all your positive attributes, your kindness, your empathy, your compassion, your resilience. This makes you authentically you. Know this and embrace it. And then next, you need to be investing in yourself. And what does this look like? Invest in your mental health, in your mental well-being. So you want to replace the negative self-talk with positive affirmations that are applicable to you and that you can believe. And so that's something you need to be doing and creating a habit of getting rid of that negative internal dialogue with positive. And that's going to start helping boost your confidence and making you feel beautiful on the inside. Along with this, next you want to take care of yourself. Self-care is so important, and this comes in mental ways and physical ways. So the mental ways involve practicing gratitude, practicing meditation, doing things that fill your cup and make you feel at peace. And then physically, you need to be taking care of your physical health and your body. Physical exercise is a great way to do this. And though many of you may not want to, it doesn't have to be crazy difficult, but it shows you internally that you are worth putting the energy into. And so that's how you want to start, by feeling beautiful on the inside, by investing in yourself, by surrounding yourself with other people that are positive and a supportive network. And then comes the outside beauty. What do we do here? When it comes to outer beauty, it is not about comparing yourself to filtered images you see everywhere. So that needs to be eliminated from your life. And you need to instead focus on yourself and all your positive attributes. We are all unique, we are all individual, and none of us are perfect. So focus on how you want to take care of yourself physically. And that means, what is your personal style? How do you want to look? What do you want to wear? How do you want to dress? How do you want to fix yourself up? Those things, investing in yourself there is going to help you feel more beautiful. And along with this, it's like I mentioned before, you have to invest in your outside physical body. And that requires, again, the exercise, the good nutrition, but hydration and sleep is important. You want your skin to glow. You want to look rested. That is part of your outer beauty. So focus on that. Don't look at, oh, well, this person looks this way and I want to look this way, because we are all unique individuals. So focus on how you are going to make yourself feel more beautiful on the outside. Change your look up, change your clothes, change your hair, do something different. And the two will come together. The inner and the outer beauty will come together, and you will radiate that beauty and confidence that you are wanting to do. And it's so key, in order to do this, to have a supportive system around you of like-minded women on the same journey. And I want to tell you that I have a membership that also, I'm going to put the link down below for you, and you can see all the benefits and all the tools you get and the continual support with me and other people that you will get to get you on this journey to feeling beautiful, confident, and lovable, because it is your right. You are worthy of feeling this way, and life knocks us down, society knocks us down, but that doesn't mean we have to stay down. We can lift ourselves up and radiate a whole different beauty than we ever have. So I want you to take a look at the links below and see how I can help you come out on the other side feeling fabulous about yourself. Now, I have worked with hundreds of women, and if you tell me I don't know how I'm going to make the physical and the mental transformations. I understand, because we get very comfortable doing the same, repeating the same cycle, staying within our comfort zone. But that is why I am offering you the things that I have, the free video series and the membership, to really help facilitate a growth in you and change that cycle you are in. And I know it works because I have been a life mindset coach for over a decade. And I know this will help you get you on the road to feeling the way you want, which is confident and beautiful. So let's make it happen for you now.